Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, but also hope you had a great week so far. And welcome to this new video on Solana. We're going to do a full update on Solana. We'll talk about everything you need to know, the technicals, the fundamentals, everything. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. Now, the situation for Solana. I wanted to start off with that, and then we'll talk about some fundamentals, and then we'll blend it all together into a prediction. But ultimately, the situation is still quite uncertain, all right? If you zoom all the way out, what you can see for Solana right here is that we have dropped, most of you know this, but we've dropped back down to the main support level that held us up right here for the majority of the year, all right? We broke above that in February, and we've held that, well, so far. I mean, we have dropped down below this value area low right here. So in a sense, we're actually very close to getting a bearish breakdown, but that's definitely not confirmed yet. And we could still get a bullish reclaim, but that is the main question, right? We've dropped down to a major support level. Solana is historically weak. At least it's the weakest right now that it's been the entire year, all right? Because at least during that consolidation, during the majority of 2024, we were actually still holding support. And every time we got to support, it was a great buy area. But now you can see, especially with that value area low right here, by dropping down below that, what's either going to happen, like it's one of those two things. We're either not going to get the bullish reclaim, and we're going to drop down into next support level right here, which is between $90 and $80. Would be bad, all right, for a lot of holders. I definitely know that. There would be a drop of about 35%, but that's the next major support level. There's some support earlier as well, but that's the next major one. Or we're going to be able to actually get that reclaim, turn this level around 125 into support again, and get a move at least into this level at 145 and 150, which is the POC of the previous range. Basically the area where most of the volume has been transacted, which is very often where the price bounces into if we actually hold support. Those are the two scenarios, all right? And you have to also ask yourself the question, which one do I think is most likely? I mean, obviously, I have my own opinion on that, and I have my thoughts on that. But you have to think about that as well, all right? Bitcoin right now is bouncing relatively nicely, and there does seem to be some strength coming back into the markets, at least this morning. But is that enough to actually make sure that Solana is going to break back above, let's say, 127 to have a bit of a margin and turn this level into support or not? Now, during that entire period, what you can see, if you take a look at the fundamentals for Solana, which I always like to do, is that over the last year, but especially if you zoom into the last 3 months, the TVL has been on a massive decline. The DEX trading volumes are also decreasing right now, down to $1.5 billion per day. Still a lot of money, but still, that's not amazing. And there's some other fundamental things that are not too great. So therefore, it's a difficult situation. Now, my personal opinion, based on the fact that I think, first of all, traditional financial markets are at support, and I expect a bounce very, very soon. But then second of all, also my thoughts on Bitcoin, which is holding on very, very well to support, and I expect that support to hold. And then also the situation of Sol BTC, which is also very, very low and at a support. I would say it's most likely that we are going to be able to get that bullish reclaim here and get a move into, well, let's stay conservative and let's say 135, but I'll keep you updated on that. And then after that, potentially 145, 150, but that's something I'll keep you updated on later. So I think it's most likely we are going to be able to turn this level into support and that we are going to get the bullish reclaim. I will also look to trade that if you're interested in that, and if you want to know when I'm buying Solana, consider joining the Signal group. That's up to you. It's in general profitable and very educational. But so check that out. Links are down in the description. But this is what I think is most likely. I would not buy Solana because of that right now. I will buy it afterwards. But yeah, that's it. So that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.